Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of dash cams and showcasing the top 10 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a rideshare driver, road tripper, or just want peace of mind on the road, these dash cams offer the latest in 4K resolution, night vision, Wi-Fi, GPS, parking mode, and much more. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's kick things off. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N 4K dash cam front and rear. The REDTIGER F7N is a feature-packed dash cam offering 4K front and 1080p rear recording. It has a 3.18-inch display, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and captures a 170 degrees wide angle for maximum coverage. The image quality is outstanding, crystal clear even in low light, thanks to advanced night vision. GPS allows you to log speed and location during playback, while the 24/7 parking monitor protects your car even when you're away. Pros: sharp 4K plus 1080p dual recording, built-in Wi-Fi plus GPS, 170 degrees wide-angle lens, excellent night vision. Cons: rear cam cable may be short for larger vehicles. No SD card included. This dash cam is perfect for drivers who want high-res video, GPS tracking, and full coverage without breaking the bank. Number 2. AZDOME M5 53-channel dash cam. Up next is the AZDOME M550, a 3-channel dash cam that records front, rear, and cabin footage. Ideal for Uber/Lyft drivers or families, it delivers 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 2.5K interior resolution. You also get IR night vision, a 3.19-inch IPS display, WDR, and a 64GB SD card right out of the box. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make it easy to download videos and track trips. Pros: triple-channel recording, excellent night vision, IR and cabin, free 64GB card, WDR, and parking mode. Cons: interface can feel dated, slightly bulky. A great all-in-one choice for professional drivers or those who want full cabin coverage. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N 4K per 2.5K dash cam. The REDTIGER F7N is another top-tier offering with 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution. It includes a 32GB card, Wi-Fi plus GPS, and a 3.16-inch IPS screen. This model focuses on balanced performance, good resolution, smart features, and ease of use. You'll also get WDR wide dynamic range for clear images in tough lighting, plus 24-hour parking surveillance. Pros: sharp 4K footage, built-in Wi-Fi plus GPS, included 32GB card, compact design. Cons: rear cam isn't 1080p, no voice control. If you want reliable, no-nonsense 4K video and value-added features, this is a solid buy. Number 4. ROVE R3 4K Dual Dash Cam. Here's the ROVE R3 4K Dual Dash Cam, featuring Sony Starvis 2 sensor technology, a free 128GB card, and blazing fast 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 megabytes per second for video downloads via the app. The 4K video quality is exceptional. The 3-inch IPS screen is crisp, and the 24-hour parking mode ensures constant protection. You'll also appreciate how easy the app is to use, way faster than most. Pros: Starvis 2 sensor equals amazing low light, free 128GB card, 5G Wi-Fi for superfast downloads, great mobile app. Cons: slight learning curve on settings. Rear cam not included in base bundle. The ROVE R3 4K is perfect for tech-savvy users who want the fastest wireless transfers and top-tier low-light performance. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K dash cam. Last for today's list is the REDTIGER F7N Touch, a premium 4K dash cam with a touchscreen interface, Starvis 2 sensor, and 128GB card included. You also get voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, emergency video lock, and powerful night vision. The UI is intuitive and the 3.18 display is responsive and sleek. Pros: touchscreen and voice control, Starvis 2 sensor for excellent night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfers, comes with 128GB card. Cons: a bit pricier, limited physical buttons. If you're after the most premium experience with all the smart features, this is the one to beat. Number 6. VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. The VANTRUE N4 is a powerhouse 3-channel dash cam offering 4K front, 1440p interior, and 1080p rear video recording. It's one of the most trusted names for professional-grade dash cams. With infrared night vision, 24-hour parking mode, and a supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, it's built to last. You can even expand memory up to 256 gigabytes, giving you tons of storage. Pros: 3-channel coverage, great for rideshare drivers. Excellent night vision with IR LEDs. Supercapacitor equals better performance in hot climates. Crisp 4K front footage. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi, manual file transfer. Larger form factor. A super durable option for anyone who needs all-around protection, especially ideal for Uber, Lyft, or delivery drivers. Number 7. VIOFO A229 Plus Dash Cam. Dual Starvis 2 sensors. Next up is the VIOFO A229 Plus, a dual-channel dash cam with Sony Starvis 2 sensors on both cameras, offering 1440p front and rear recording with HDR support. It features voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and ultra-precise GPS, making it one of the smartest dash cams around. It also supports up to 512 GB cards, which is great for long trips or fleet use. Pros: dual Starvis 2 sensors equals top-tier night vision, voice control, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Sleek, modern interface, massive 512 GB storage support. Cons: no interior camera, no SD card included. This is the one for you if you're after premium low-light performance and intelligent voice features. Number 8. ROVE R3 3-channel dash cam with touchscreen. The ROVE R3 is a versatile 3-channel dash cam with front, interior, and rear coverage. It shoots in 1440p front and 1080p interior/rear with IR night vision for in-cabin clarity. What makes it unique is the 3 IPS touchscreen, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and support for up to 512 GB storage. It's also powered by a supercapacitor, which is more reliable than batteries. Pros: touchscreen interface, 3-channel coverage with night vision, fast 5G Wi-Fi for downloads, excellent heat resistance. Supercapacitor. Cons: no included memory card, slightly bulky with 3 lenses. Great for content creators or rideshare drivers who want full coverage and touchscreen convenience. Number 9. Vantrue N5 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam. Taking things up a notch, the Vantrue N5 offers a full 360-degree view with 4-channel recording. That includes 2.7K front and 1080p on 3 other angles, interior, rear, and sides. It includes Starvis 2 sensors, voice control, IR night vision, and a buffered 24-hour parking mode. Designed with high-end users in mind, this one is perfect for those who want total visibility around their vehicle. Pros: 360 degrees multi-angle protection. Buffered parking mode captures pre-incident footage. Voice control and GPS. Starvis 2 sensors equals top image clarity. Cons: more expensive than most. Requires large SD cards up to 512 gigabytes. A top-tier dash cam for fleet managers, long-haul drivers, or anyone wanting full 360 degrees awareness. Number 10. REDTIGER F17 3-channel 4K dash cam. Wrapping up the list is the REDTIGER F17, a 3-channel 4K dash cam featuring 2160p front, 1080p rear, and 1080p interior recording. It includes a 64 GB card, IR night vision, and WDR for optimal clarity. You also get 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, a 3-inch screen, and smart features like G-sensor and emergency recording lock. It's well balanced between features and price. Pros: triple camera with 4K front, IR night vision and G-sensor, fast Wi-Fi and GPS built-in, includes 64 GB card. Cons: no touchscreen, limited voice control. A great plug-and-play option with all the essentials for daily driving and full trip documentation. And that wraps up our full list of the top 10 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're looking for ultra-clear 4K video, full 360 degrees coverage, or ride-share-ready triple cameras, there's something here for every driver and every budget. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, stay protected, and see you in the next one.